Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our first part of political science, that is contemporary world politics, and our chapter name is the Cold War. So with the help of world map we will start the chapter, or we will discuss the chapter. First of all, we will know the general things about the world map. It is North America continent, it is South America, and it is South Africa, it is Europe continent, it is Asia continent, and Australia, and it is Antarctica. Antarctica, as you know, it is covered from ice. So, first of all, we will discuss about the Cold War. What is Cold War? The Cold War was a period of geopolitical tension between the Soviet Union and the United States of America and their respective allies. They were known as the Eastern Bloc or Western Bloc, or the American Bloc or the Soviet Bloc. After the Second World War, it was ended in 1945, and after the Second World War, Cold War started. The period is generally considered to span the 1947 Truman Doctrine to the 1991 disintegration of the Soviet Union. So this period is known as the Cold War. Now, United States of America. United States of America, it is name of a country, and it is the North America. North America, it is a continent. जनरली हम नॉर्थ अमेरिका को ही जो है यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका समझते हैं, बट नॉर्थ अमेरिका है मीन्स वो एक कॉन्टिनेंट है, एंड यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका ये कंट्री है. एंड यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका एट दैट टाइम इट फॉलो द means means at that time it is a capitalist country. It was a capitalist country. And now, what is capitalism? Capitalism is an economic system based on the private ownership of the means of production and their operation for profit. And now, Soviet Union at that time, 15 countries are in Soviet Union, and they are like Russia, Latvia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, etc. So Soviet Union, it was follow the communalism at that time, or we can say it was a communist country at that time. Communist country means where state government control all the things, जहाँ पर privatization नहीं होता, लोगों को freedom नहीं होती, state government सब चीजों control करती है. So at that time, Soviet Union was a communist country. And you can see the distance between Soviet Union and the United States of America. इनके बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है काफी है. एंड टुडे अवर टॉपिक जो है, हमारा आज का जो टॉपिक है, दैट इज क्यूबन मिसाइल क्राइसिस. क्यूबन मिसाइल क्राइसिस, क्यूबा, इट इज लोकेटेड नियर बाय द अमेरिका. क्यूबा, इट इज अ island. You can see it is a Cuba. Now, Cuba, it is the largest island of West Indies. In January 1959, Fidel Castro overthrew the Batista government and came in power. And Fidel Castro established a communist government in Cuba. The American capitalist government had invested millions of dollars in Cuban enterprises. And under the leadership of Fidel Castro, government brought them under state control. So Fidel Castro, fearing invasion from America, and try to military and economic assistance from Soviet Russia. So Soviet Russia means it was a communist country at that time. So Soviet Union began to equip Cuba with weapons, and which included missiles also. This posed a serious threat to the security of United States of America, because क्यूबा का उससे जो डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज ओनली 140 किलोमीटर. यू कैन सी हियर इट इज यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका एंड इट इज क्यूबा. इन दोनों का जो डिस्टेंस है ओनली दैट इज 140 किलोमीटर. तो बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टेंस नहीं है, इसलिए अमेरिका को जो एक फियर होना था, दैट इज नेचुरल थिंग. सो एट दैट टाइम the American president John Kennedy declared that the United States would stop all Russian ships or aircraft moving towards Cuba. The Cuban crisis literally brought the two superpower like America and Russia on the brink of war. Now the Cold War had reached its high point, or but at that time Khrushchev, the supreme Russian leader, showed means a wisdom. On 23rd October 1962, he announced that the Soviet Union was ready to withdraw its missile from Cuba and dismantle all the military base there. And at that time, Indian Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru made a valuable contribution to the means diffuse this crisis. And the successful solution of the Cuban crisis means crisis. Uh, the Cuban crisis led to an improvement of relation between America and Russia. So it is a Cuban Missile Crisis, and it was sought out in means 1962. So it is an important topic of this chapter. So you have to keep in your mind, and hope it is clear to all. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask. Thank you so much.